Hello everyone. Today let's see how to make a Karnataka special chaat, Masala Puri. Let's start by making the masala first. Take 1 cup of mint leaves or pudina, 1 cup coriander leaves or dhania, 2 chopped tomatoes, 2 inches of ginger chopped, about 10 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds or dhania, half an inch of cinnamon, 2 cloves or long, 3 red chillies, half teaspoon Kasuri Methi. Optionally, you can also add 1 stone flower. This is also called Kaluva, Pattar ka Phool or Kallu Pachi. Quarter teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, 1/3 cup grated coconut, 1 tablespoon gasgase or khaskhas, 2 tablespoons of fried gram. Now add a little water in for grinding and grind to a smooth paste. Next, in a vessel, add about 3 tablespoons oil. Once the oil is a little hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera, quarter cup finely chopped onions, and fry until the onions turn transparent. Next, add half a cup of finely chopped tomatoes and fry this until tomatoes turn mushy. Add the ground masala paste to this along with some turmeric. Fry this until it's cooked well and the raw smell goes. Then add salt to taste and mix through. To this add 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiled, the masala is ready. To plate, crush a few puris and add about 2 tablespoons of boiled peas. Over this, pour the hot masala and sweet tamarind chutney or meetha. Top this with chopped tomatoes, some onions, and grated carrot. Sprinkle some red chilli powder and salt. Sprinkle save to finish off. The masala puri is ready. Enjoy!